Do you want to build an AI-powered image pipeline on Azure? In this project, we build a fully serverless pipeline that turns photos into cartoons using Azure and OpenAI. Follow along, and in minutes you'll have a fully working AI pipeline running on Azure. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. First, the user signs into the web application using an Entra ID external tenant. When the user selects Choose File, the image is uploaded to a storage account. When the user selects Cartoonify, the API does two things. It creates a job record in Cosmos DB. Then it sends a message to the image processing service bus. The service bus triggers a worker function. The worker function calls OpenAI to generate the cartoon. You'll need to provide an OpenAI API key for the image generation processing. The generated image is written back to the storage account. When processing completes, the job status is updated in Cosmos DB. The web application refreshes and displays the generated image. Go to the GitHub link in the video description and clone the repository. Run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. This will fail as we need to manually set up the Entra ID tenant. Let's configure the Microsoft Entra ID tenant needed for web app authentication. Navigate to the Microsoft Entra ID blade in the Azure portal. Select Manage Tenants, then Create. Select External, then Next. Specify the organization name, initial domain name, subscription, and resource group. Record the initial domain name in the build environment variables. Select Review and Create. Then wait for the tenant deployment to complete. Open the tenant resource group. Record the tenant ID in the build environment variables. Select Switch Directory. Switch to the new external tenant directory. Select Manage Microsoft Entra ID. Select External Identities. Then select Configure User Flows and add a new user flow. Specify the user flow name. Record the flow name in the build environment variables. Select Create and wait for completion. Navigate to App Registrations. Select New Registration. Specify the application name, then Register. Record the client ID in the build environment variables. Next, select Certificates and Secrets. Select New Client Secret. Specify a description, then select Add. The secret value is displayed. Record the client secret in the build environment variables. Select API permissions, then select Add a permission. Select Microsoft Graph Application Permissions. Add the following read-write permissions: eventlistener.readwrite.all and application.readwrite.all. Select Grant Admin Consent and confirm the grants. We now have all the environment variables set for the application build. Now rerun the check env script after setting the environment variables. Note the warning about the OpenAI API key. This is necessary for the image generation and can be added later. If you need help setting up Azure and Terraform, check out our Azure setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build is completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. 3 storage accounts are created for this project. The first account hosts the public web application. The second account stores the uploaded source images and generated cartoons. The third account stores the Azure functions. Identity and access is handled by an Entra ID external tenant. The Serverless API is implemented with an Azure Function app. The image generation pipeline is driven by an Azure Service Bus queue. Cosmos DB stores the status of each image generation job. When a message is processed, the worker function calls OpenAI to generate the cartoon image. An API key must be specified to generate images. The generated image is written back to the media storage account. The Cosmos DB job record is updated to complete. When the application refreshes, the generated results are displayed. Navigate to the web application URL. Sign in using the external Entra ID tenant. Select Choose File and upload a test image. Select the Pixar 3D style. Then click Cartoonify to start the image generation pipeline. The application displays the image generation lifecycle in the left panel. Now try some different styles. The application displays a gallery of your previous results. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.